If you're looking to sell your online course, you need to do two things. Number one, you need to build your email list. And number two, you need to sell your course. So in this video, I'll share with you the importance of having a lead magnet and how do you create one. This lesson has been extracted from my course creation and launch mastery course. I'm giving you completely free of charge, so enjoy. If you'd like our team to help you create your very own online course, there's a link below. You can book a call, or you can get the course creation and launch mastery course, link in description. Enjoy the video. Right? You start putting content, you become the expert. Even if you never posted anything, it's time to post something. So once you start posting something, you often don't have anything. Sometimes you don't even have a website. Sometimes you have nothing to sell. What you want to do, you want to create free lead magnets. So what is a lead magnet? Lead magnet is basically, I'll give you this for exchange your name and email address. You probably have opted in many times for something. And for example, in our business, we offer free course creation blueprint. Course creation blueprint is basically quick summary, and it's a workbook for people to create their very own online courses. It's a beautiful workbook, and some of the concepts that I'm teaching you now, it's in that book, but of course it's not as a masterclass what we're doing right now. So that's in a way for me to pre-qualify people who are interested in online course creation. So we have about 8,000 people on our list right now who are interested in course creation. And they did not hire us for our course creation services because probably it's too expensive, or it's just not a good fit, or the timing is not right. And once we launch this course, guess who we're gonna engage first before we run any paid ads? It's gonna be those 8,000 people. And if you do the math, even if it's like, 1% closes, that's 80 sales we're gonna make like that. That's just 1%. But what if it's 3%? That's 240 sales. But we've been doing this hard work in the past. We're adding value, right? We're engaging people. And also we are building the list all the time. So you want to do the same thing in your business. If you don't have lead gen or free offer, you want to create one. The next question probably you're gonna have is, what should I offer? What I would say to that is this: offer the most valuable resource. Even like your best strategies, something that's gonna be the most helpful to your audience. Because also I've seen a lot of people create something, they throw something together and just put it out there. Nobody really wants, nobody really cares. So you want to ask yourself, okay, how can I help my audience in the most powerful way? And then create that offer. Because if it's not powerful, it's not useful, they're not gonna opt in. And even if they opt in and they see that it's not a good product, they can say, well, this is not very helpful. This is not well produced. Like, why would I listen to them? Why would I follow them? So you want to impress them. You want to provide value because you're going to impress them. They're going to love what they receive. They're going to be valuable. So they're going to look at you as the authority and the expert on your chosen subject. So go ahead now and think about what is that you want to offer. It can be very simple. It can be a video teaching something. It could be a simple short webinar, short presentation. It could be a free book. Maybe you have an ebook that you can offer. It can be so many different things. And then go ahead, and what you want to do is you want to create an opt-in page. It's basically where you're gonna describe what the freebie is. Then I'm gonna have fields for their first name and email address. Phone is optional. Most people don't want to give up their phones. And they're going to submit that. And then when they submit that, you're going to email them. Do not give them the freebie on the thank you page. That's a big mistake. You don't want to do that because often people give you phony email addresses and then they get the freebie and you never have proper email to communicate. What I always suggest is when they opt in for that freebie, you take them to the thank you page and you say, hey, thank you so much for signing up for X, Y, and Z. We just sent you an email with a freebie. Go check that out. Super helpful. Now they have to go to email, open that email, and it also teaches email providers that you are a safe sender. If Gmail, especially Gmail, if they see people opening your emails, you are more likely to end up in their primary inbox instead of spam, promotion or social media folder. You don't want to be in those folders because most people don't even look at those emails. So that's a great way to start building that relationship with that person. It's a great way to qualify and make sure that you had the right email. What we've done is, as I mentioned in my previous video, and I think it was the introduction video, is when you click on that worksheet, you'll be able to copy that worksheet and it's going to put it in your Google Drive. And then what I want you to do is look at some ideas, what you could create as a free lead magnet, and choose which one you want to create, or maybe use some of your existing materials, and then go ahead, create that opt-in page for the freebie, and then create that quick email where you deliver that freebie. And if you don't have a platform to do that, I highly suggest Kajabi.com. Our partner link is in description, so click that. It'll take you, it'll give you 2 weeks free, and it's super easy to use them. You got literally, there'll be campaign for that, change text, and you're pretty much ready to go. So go ahead, do that, implement it out. This is a big homework, and then whenever you're done, head over to the next lesson, because we have to build brick by brick. If you just keep going with the course, that's fine, but at some point you have to go back and implement, because if you don't implement what we're talking about, it's useless. It's like, why did you sign up for this course, right? I want you to be successful, and to be successful, you have to do the work. And as always, if you work with our company, with Thrive Courses Studio, we would help you with all of those things. I know it's shameless plug here for my course creation services, but we're good at what we do. So if you think that may be helpful, go check out that website as well. But if not, if you want to do it on your own, you can do it on your own. This is created so you can do it on your own. And go do that, go implement, and then head over to the next lesson. And I'll see you there. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this lesson from my course creation and launch mastery course that I gave you completely free of charge. I hope you got more confidence, that you have knowledge to share, and most importantly, how to keep moving forward. Again, if you'd like to get more support, there's a link to my course creation mastery course. You can get the whole course for $47. It couldn't be any cheaper. Or if you'd like our team to help you create and launch your very own online course, there's a link as well. Book a call, and we look forward to helping you along your journey so that you can create a digital product that you can scale your business with. See you soon.